Hey guys, hi, hello, welcome back to Shreya Shakti. Hope all of you all are doing good. And yes, it has been raining since morning in my place, and I very badly wanted to have some soup. So I thought, why not I share this recipe with you guys? And if you're someone who's dieting, or if you're someone who's tired and lazy to cook a meal, or a beginner and looking for some super easy recipe, then this recipe is definitely for you guys. For this recipe, all you need is 1 teaspoon butter, some salt and pepper, 4 cloves of garlic, 100 grams of mushroom, and 1/4 onion. First, let's chop all the ingredients that needs to be minced. When you chop the garlics and the onions, make sure you chop it really fine. And if you aren't comfortable with chopping or mincing the garlics, then you can very comfortably crush it and add to your soup. But I like it minced and I would recommend the same to all of you. You can chop mushrooms in two different ways. You can either split it into two and chop it this way, or you can chop it lengthwise. So, especially when it comes to soups, pizzas, and pastas, I recommend chopping it lengthwise. Place the pan on the stove, switch it on, and then reduce it to low. So now you can add in 1 teaspoon of butter. If you don't like the flavor of butter, then you can substitute with olive oil or whichever oil is available at home, and that's up to you. So once the butter melts, add in the chopped garlic and the onion, and be cautious not to overcook the onion and the garlic while you saute them. Once they are done, add in the chopped mushrooms into the pan, and immediately after you add the mushrooms, make sure you add about 500 ml of water into it. The most important step in making any kind of soup is the preparation of the stock. So I think that adds the whole flavor to your soup. So you can either make it yourself or you can buy from supermarkets or from departmental stores near your home. So I think they're also available on Amazon. You can go check it if you want. It's available in the form of powders, and yeah, please to check it. A lot of people use chicken stock or other vegetable stock in their soup, but for me, when it is mushroom soup, it is just mushroom. So I prefer using just mushroom stock for my cream of mushroom soup. Close it with a lid and let it cook for 4 to 5 minutes. When the color of the water changes to a nice translucent color like this, it means that the soluble salts and the flavor from the mushroom has penetrated into the water, and now our stock is ready to use. Now transfer half of the mushroom into a mixer jar, and yes guys, just 2 more steps to go and a cream of mushroom soup is ready. Grind the mushrooms into a nice fine paste. You can add some water if you want. This is the perfect consistency it should be ground to. Switch on the stove again and reduce the flame. Add in the mushroom cream into the stock. Now give it a really nice mix and add as much salt as you need. Close it with a lid and let it boil for 5 more minutes. The final step is to add pepper powder to your soup. So I personally love the flavor of pepper, so I've sprinkled some extra pepper powder. In my soup, I'm gonna be adding some oreganos. This step is completely optional, guys, but then it makes a huge difference. It helps bring a nice Italian touch to your soup. So please try adding oreganos. And finally, yes, the rich yummy cream of mushroom soup is ready. So yes guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you find this recipe super cool, then like, share and subscribe to my channel. Loads and loads of love from Shreya Shakti. Bye bye.